Hey, how's it going everyone? So while we all wait for that official first look at Tom Hardy suited up with the symbiote in Venom, we might have our possible first look at the conceptual artwork for what his suit will look like, and potentially a 3D rendering sculpture of it. So this comes to us from Danish artist Mikkel Fransen. I'll link his website down in the description box so you can check it out. He's a creature artist and designer for a bunch of different movie projects and things, and this kind of slipped under the radar. A lot of stuff that he's been doing is actually for an upcoming Venom project, and he actually has images listed with the hashtag Marvel Studios, so that's kind of interesting. I guess maybe he isn't aware that it's in the MCU or Sonyverse or whatever it is, but very cool nonetheless. Definitely looks pretty comic accurate to what you would expect from Venom, but also with some unique twists and things that are kind of different to this design, obviously, with the face and whatnot. I mean, this isn't colored in or anything, it's sort of grayed out, but I think you can kind of tell where the eyes would go and everything. So all in all, this actually looks really cool. Hopefully this does prompt Sony into revealing a official image of Tom Hardy. I think it's about time that we get to see what he's going to look like. I mean, the film comes out October 2018, and from what I understand, they're going to be shooting it until February of next year, and that's when filming is going to wrap, and then they'll be in post up until release. So drop your thoughts down below. What do you guys think of this first possible look at the Venom symbiote for the upcoming movie? And for more updates on Sony's Venom and everything in the Marvel Universe, be sure to subscribe to Hybrid Network. Thanks again for checking this video out. If you want to get even more updates from us, check out our social media platforms, our website for the latest news and editorials, and if you want to see our content get better and help us out, donate to us on Patreon for exclusive rewards.